shoots, we back again in the booth. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mags back with another video. You know your boy's in the spot, so don't make it hot. Be low key with it, stay P with it, get to the green with it. But feel me, we got a short little video today. I wanted to come at y'all with a little quick video on how I package my hats, because today I was just running through school a little bit, feel me, and somebody asked me today, he was like, oh, I want to buy a hat from your brand, how much they cost? So I gave him the rundown, gave him the price, how I made the brand, how I made the hats, how I got everything in order so I can do this drop, right? And he fuck with it. Like he said that shit hard. Like he really support my brand. He said he wanna get a hat tomorrow, feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all how I put an order together so we can fulfill an order for a person, feel me? I don't know how all other brands do it, but me, I usually do like hand-to-hand sales mostly, because that's how my brand moves, because I'm in high school and I'm small, but I'm still growing, feel me? I'm still growing as a brand, feel me? We still working, still outside, feel me? But this is the product right here. Island Kicks 843 hat, beanie, Island Babies beanie, feel me? I made this like around September, no, early. I made this around April, around my birthday, and I dropped them like a month ago probably, and they've been doing okay. Like I probably got like 2-3 hats left. I gotta talk to my manufacturer, get some more hats so I can push these more. But this the hat that he said was fire and he messed with, feel me? He about to cash out on me, feel me? He about to buy the hat, feel me? Support the brand, show some love. So what I'll do usually with an order, I'll take this hat like this. I'll put like at least 2-3 business cards. I know I got a few more. I'll probably throw like 4 home. I get like 4 handful of business cards and grab those like that. Hold on, let me see y'all. I want y'all to see. Y'all can't see all of my room and shit. We not that close, y'all. Anyway, take the hat like this. Take these. I throw like 4 of them. In the back they say, be a part of the story, dream big. Thank you for shopping with MMB Mags Creation. Feel me? These I plan on dropping with every single merch I have. That I'm gonna just keep upgrading my cards, getting different styles. I'm gonna make them like unreleased things, feel me? Like if you have these, I don't know how long you've been here, how long you've been a part of the journey, feel me? Because I'm gonna do some red collabs, I'm gonna do some yellows, purples, some clear. Yo, so it's gonna be crazy with these business cards. I'm gonna do a lot of creative things with these. Also with the hats, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm trying to get a red colorway and a yellow colorway, maybe a green. I don't know how goblin-ish we getting over here, but I'm trying to cook up some shit with these manufacturers, feel me? This the back, it says MMB, which is Money Making Boys, feel me? Also stand for Brandon, middle name Magwood, feel me? That's me, feel me? Gang, feel me? Gotta support yourself. Gang right here, Island Babies, feel me? That's where we grew up. That's the story. This is where I was born in Coney Island. I didn't tell a lot of people this, but I was born in Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York, 11224, feel me? Grew up there. When I turned 16, I moved to, I still lived in Coney Island, just a different part. Then, after a while, when I turned 17, 16, I moved to Johns Island, South Carolina, which is another island by itself, feel me? So I was always originally an island baby. All my friends, they grew up on the island too, feel me? That's why they rap I-B4L, the 4s, they throw up 4s. That's why you see in a lot of our music videos, we throw up 4s, 8s, all that, because 843, Island Kicks, 8, bro, everything 843 related islands, you get the gist in between the lines, and feel me? That's basically a little backstory on how we put together this cultivation of people, movement, and this brand. Feel me? We also I got friends who rap. I got people who sell shoes with me. I got people who photography. I got people selling clothes, wigs, girls, models, everything that's like, anything that's influence, that's gonna make money, bring awareness to a group of people. I feel like is what I'm trying to accomplish with this mission I got going on, feel me? And getting smarter on how I strategize what I want to do, feel me? A little sauce. But let's get back to packaging this. This some of the shoes in the inventory right now. We got what's these right here? These came from Cola Kicks. These are some ones. I know these are some dunks, some 13s, 11s, 5s, and 1s. Feel me? But these are size 12. Hit me up on INEVNTORY on Instagram if y'all looking for these. If you watching this video, it's discounted prices. I'll give you these for $90 right now. Just text me. Let me know you want I think these is the Razor Red Dunks. If not, just DM me, say I want the red dunks from your YouTube video. And just send me a screenshot of this right here. Just like this. Feel me? Yeah, let's work. Feel me? See, got 2 hats left and a stash. Feel me? But this is what we do. We grab a poly mailer right here. Take the poly mailer, open it up. I got the cards in there. I'll fold the hat nice and neat. Get all the air out because it got little compressed holes in it so it could breathe. I throw it just like this. And then like that. Just like this. Got a little slab in the back like this. Pinless. Pull that back. Make sure you don't get none of that thingy on the sticky part, because it makes your job a little bit harder, a little bit, just a little. But once you close it, you can't open it back. So it's done deal. This hat got to get sold tomorrow, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all like videos like this, if you want more, tune in with Island Kicks 843 for more. Feel me? Get some sauce, get some shoes, upgrade your drip, and break the rules, nigga. We out.